Hello friends, Mehjabin here. Welcome back to Quick Poetry Knowledge. Today I'm going to narrate the summary of Lord Alfred Tennyson's poem, Home They Brought Her Warrior Dead. When the poem starts, the dead body of a soldier who had lost his life while fighting was brought home to his wife. All eyes were on the widow. However, the lady did not cry out seeing her husband's corpse brought back home. She did not faint. No word came out of her mouth to express her grief. The woman who had assembled there felt that the widow would die if she continued to bottle up her pain. It was urgent for her to weep, otherwise she might die. Thinking that the widow would get emotional if she heard people praising her dead husband, the maidens discussed the good deeds of the warrior. They murmured amongst themselves that the deceased man was an honorable person who was immensely loved by people. He was not only faithful to his friends, but also gentle to his enemies. The widow heard the soft voices expressing admiration for her dead husband. However, she did not speak anything. She also did not move. A maiden stood up from her place. She decided to try out a different technique to make the widow cry. She stepped nearer to the dead body and removed the covering from the face. She had hoped that the widow would not be able to control her feelings if she saw her dead warrior's face. Yet, the widow did not react. She neither moved from her position nor did she weep. Now a 90-year-old nurse rose from her seat. She took the dead warrior's baby and placed it on the knee of the mother. Tears gushed down the cheeks of the woman like a summer storm. The widow cried and cried. She broke down because she realized that she had to keep herself alive for the sake of her child. By not weeping, she would surely die, and then there would be nobody to look after the baby. The widow made a promise that she would live for the sake of her baby. The awareness of her responsibilities as a mother made the widow lose control of her emotions, and she began to cry. This was what the nurse had wanted, and it happened. Well, that's all for today. Do click on the description box below this video for the notes on this summary. Check out the playlist for my other videos on this poem, Home They Brought Her Warrior Dead. Subscribe to the channel, check out the playlist, let me know if you have any questions. Meet you again very soon. Bye.